How's it going, everyone? It's Christian Gomez, aka Teenage Day Trader, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys probably one of my favorite videos that I'll be recording, just because this video will teach you how to get started trading in the stock market without using any of your real money. We're going to be using an app called Stockfuse. What this app lets you do is trade the stock market real time with virtual cash. So they start you off with $100,000 in virtual cash, and from there you're able to make buying and sell / short decisions. And so I'll be explaining how you can use that app and how it will benefit you in the long run, so that the money that you do lose, right, because I've never met a single trader that hasn't lost money in the stock market. You're gonna have those red days, but what matters is that you bounce back. So what this will enable you to do is lose that money, learn from your mistakes, but it's not hurting your bank account, right? It's not hurting your physical wallet. So you can learn without risking any real money, and that's what I love about this platform. So let's go ahead and get started.
Right here, we're going to go ahead and click on the Stockfuse app. So when you access the platform, this is what it's going to look like. I've already created an account with them. The only thing you need to do is click sign up. You fill in all of your info there. Then they're going to send you a verification email just so that you can verify that it's you. And then you're going to click on a link. And from there, once you click that link, if you go ahead and log back into the app, as if you already have an account like I am, log in, it pulls you up to this feed, right? And what this feed is just enabling everyone to share their ideas if they bought a stock or if they sold a stock. And it gives you their own personal ideas as to why they did what they did. So we won't really be using this page too much. So let's go ahead and go to the thing that you'll mainly be using. You click on portfolios here. You can see the $100,000 being active right now. And so I currently have one position. I just shorted one share on Apple just to show you guys what it's like. So when I shorted that one share of Apple, it was a few minutes ago. The thing that I did was click on sell / short at the top, and I typed in Apple. And I'm going to click, since I don't own any shares of Apple right now, I can't just sell any existing shares because I don't have any existing shares. So if I click on sell / short, it's going to take it as a short. And what that means is that I'm betting that the stock will fall. Apple's price will fall. It's currently at 190.92. And I'm going to go ahead and click on market order. What market means is just that it's executing that price at that moment, at that very moment. So I'm going to short one share, and I'm going to send it. And since the market is closed, it is 1:07 p.m. here in California, Pacific time. Market closes at 1 p.m. It'll be executed tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that order. And you see that it's just still one share, right? Because it hasn't gone through yet. So that's how you can short a stock, right? And using the 4 strategies that I taught in the previous video, you can learn to analyze that stock and make your decision whether you want to sell, buy, or short from there. And now to buy a stock, it's basically the same process. We'll just click on Tesla here. But I'm going to show you how to click a limit order. So we're going to buy one share of Tesla. We're going to put it at a limit order. And if you can see the description, it says execute order at specified price or better. So the price is currently at 310 right now. And I think 310 is a little bit too expensive. So I think based on my charts and what I've seen, what I've studied, using all the indicators, using all the studies that I have on my previous video, I'm just going to go ahead and determine that $300 is the best buy point. Again, this is not real market time. I'm just saying this is what you would do, right? Once you study and once you do all that. So I'm just going to go ahead and buy one share of Tesla, and I'm going to send that order, and it'll execute at the next market open. Because since the price is currently at 310, it hasn't executed, right? Because it won't execute my buying target. It won't execute my order until Tesla reaches that 300 threshold. And so that's ultimately how you can get started trading in the stock market, right? Without risking any real money. It shows you the value right now, how much you've lost or have gained, unrated P&L, unrealized P&L, and then it says unrealized return, and that's in a percentage. So 0.02%, just because the price has decreased a little bit. You can see that I shorted at 190.90. So right there at 190.90, and the last price is at 190.86. So I'm making money because the stock price is going down. And now let's say, okay, I'll take my profits here, and I'll just buy to cover. And what that means is that I'm gonna buy to cover at market. What that means is that I'm gonna buy all my shares, because since I'm short on the stock, I have to buy back the shares that I shorted. And again, this will be in the terminology video so that you guys can learn every single term that I'm using in these videos. So I'm going to go ahead and buy back my shares. Since the market is closed, it'll execute it when the market opens again tomorrow. So that's basically it. That's all you really need to know. This is the thing that you'll mostly use, the portfolios, because this enables you to buy, and it allows you to trade the stock market, right? And so now let's go ahead and do the watch lists. What a watch list is just stocks that you are currently watching, right? So if I think that Apple could be attractive in the next few days, I'm going to go ahead and put Apple in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put current watching as that name, and it's going to create it. I'm going to add Apple because I said that Apple was an attractive stock. Apple Incorporated, and it adds that, right? And it enables me to see like a basic chart right here. Then again, this is why you're going to have the TD Ameritrade platform so that you can see in-depth charts and all that. And so let's just go ahead and add Tesla because that's another one of my positions. And it enables you to see the price on the day and all that. The negative 2.73%, that's based on how much it has increased or decreased in that day since it opened, right? Since the last market close, I mean. So yesterday it probably closed like at 315, now it's like at 310. So that's why it's negative 2.3. More, this is just showing you sort of challenges that you can join. The games are just literally challenges. Right here, you can join this one. If I click enroll, you go ahead, it creates a $10,000 portfolio for me, starting small. So if you want to just sort of experiment, right, there's many games that you can join. The ones with the green are the ones that you're able to enroll in. So you can see a lot of these are red because they're already closed. But yeah, that's basically it. So you can use a platform. If you click on your profile up here, it shows your portfolios, all that thing, the current trades you made, the posts you made, and all that. So it's a great platform if you're just starting out.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. That was more of an introductory video to get you started trading in the stock market, to get you guys going on that free app. You know, I highly recommend you guys download it right now. You take a look at it, create an account, just so that you can get started with virtual cash, right? Because ultimately you don't want to lose any of your hard-earned money if you don't have to, right? So when you get on this platform, it'll enable you to learn, to start trading, to start selling, buying. You gain that adrenaline rush, and once you start seeing that P&L, that profit and loss, and you see it in the green, trust me, it'll pay off. And so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.